Alright, go ahead.
Oh, there you go. Okay, sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Yo,
Come here, Jada.
Sit.
Listen to her running through the bushes.
She ain't gonna like playing with me. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Would you lose it, or you didn't throw it?
Jada. You should stay out there until I toss
Yep.
you in the air right here. You know what I'm gonna tell you? Sit. Sit.
Do you think she's gonna smarten up and realize you're not throwing the thing?
Dude, the first few times I did it, she went all the way out, and then she went a little bit closer, then a little bit closer.
Alright, throw it this time so she can see it.
Sit.
Good girl.